What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you're pushing play on this, you have made it to day 6. So you all deserve some applause because you're doing a fantastic job. And just keep it up, keep hitting the button, and keep pushing play, keep getting on the streets, and you'll get this 5K in the bag. So let's get moving on. All right, well, I can see that you're all ready to go, so I'm just going to hand it over to my wife, Robin, and she's going to take you away.
All right, guys, we are on day 6 of our first week of our on our way to a 5K training program. And today is a big day. Today is what I call a bump up day. So for the last 3 times that we've done our workouts, we've done 3 in 1 interval, and we've done that 4 times. So today we're bumping up to 5 times. So we are going to walk for 3 minutes and run for 1, and we're going to repeat that, and we're going to do that 5 times. So that's a total of 20 minutes, and I know you guys can do it. You've been doing all your workouts, so you're on track to have a great day today. Tomorrow's a rest day, and I'm going to do my workout here with you now. So I'm going to get ready to do my warm-up exercises. Again, if you're just joining us, in a comment below, I will put the link to the YouTube channel that has all of our workouts starting from day 1. So I know you guys are going to do great. If you're doing this program, drop me a note below and let me know that you're coming along with us, and I'll cheer you on. All right, guys, I got to start warming up. That was a great workout, guys. 5 times we did it. 5 repeats. That is terrific. I am so proud of you guys. So let's keep going. Tomorrow's a rest day, and I will see you then. And then Monday we start a new routine, and I'll post the week's workout in the comments. Maybe I'll post it tomorrow just to give you a heads up, so you know what's coming up. So have a great one, guys.
All right, well, congratulations on another day down. You're all doing fantastic. I know you're going to get that 5K in the bag soon. Just keep pushing play, keep watching, keep getting on the streets, keep running, keep doing it. You'll get there, and you're going to be in great shape. You're going to be very happy. And I just want to say thank you so much, and I will see you very soon. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.